Diversity. Okay, assembling the table, we have our screws left laid out here. About 4 or 5 bags. Got our washers, block washers, and our little screws there. And there's one nut that came with that. I don't have good lighting here, but one nut. And you got a set of tools, which I didn't use, I used something else. But you have the washers and the small hex nuts. Got your lock washers, head boots, and your regular washers. This is what comes with your assembly. But I use this. Stuck it inside of my drill. And it's a perfect fit. Get the job done a little faster. And assembling the table, you have these 2 legs. They set on top of each other, like that. That's a bone in place. I believe we're going to do a washer and a lap washer on that. The washer on, lap washer, and screw it down. We'll tighten it up later. So go to the bottom here. Regular washer and lap washer. Just going to take the washer. That's why I put the lock washer on first, and the washer, and then screw it down. So I have lock washer and washer. Put this up. Slide close. And two more to go here. Thanks. Diversity 2, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.